Tesla secures massive new Megapack project that replaces gas peaker plants. This is probably one of the best news we have heard of Tesla for this year in 2020. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, this is a developing story, and I think we're going to see more Megapacks coming for Tesla. So please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and let's get started. Tesla has secured a massive new Megapack project that is being deployed in lieu of a planned gas peaker plant in California. Peaker plants are power plants that electric utilities only turn on to briefly provide power during peak demand. They are costly and polluting. Tesla aims to help replace them and avoid building new ones with battery packs used as stationary energy storage. The idea is that giant battery systems would charge from the grid when demand is low and discharge at peak demand to help reduce the peak of power production. Ventura County, California was going to allow the construction of a new gas-fired power plant by NRG Energy to supply peak power to Southern California Edison. But the electric utility provided to energy storage instead and plans to deploy several battery systems. Last month, they selected Strata Solar to develop the biggest of those battery systems, a 100 megawatt to 400 megawatt hour battery energy storage system. Interestingly, Strata Solar built its own battery systems in large containers before, but it has now announced that it selected the Tesla Megapack for the new project with Southern California Edison. Here's a quote from Strata Solar. Strata Solar today announced its landmark battery project, Ventura Energy Storage, VES, a 100 megawatt, 400 megawatt hour battery energy storage system in unincorporated Ventura County in California, has completed pre-construction development. The project developed by Strata has awarded an engineering, procurement, and construction contract to Tesla for the state-of-the-art Megapack battery system. Construction using local union labor is scheduled to commence in July of 2020. End of the quote. This is actually next month. The automaker launched Megapack last year through its Tesla Energy division. It's the company's largest energy storage product after the PowerPack and Powerwall, and it is meant as an even bigger option targeting electric utility projects. According to Tesla, a single Megapack has up to 3 million watt-hour of storage capacity and a 1.5 million watt inverter. The company's energy storage business has found some success with electric utility companies through the years with its PowerPack. But the competition has been offering bigger options, and now Megapack is Tesla's response. By integrating everything into the unit, Tesla claims that it takes almost half the space and gets installed much faster than other products. At the site level, Megapack requires 40% less space and 10 times fewer parts than current systems on the market. As a result, this high-density modular system can be installed 10 times faster than current systems. Tesla is starting to have some success with the Megapack, which has been selected for several major energy storage projects like this one. To understand the scale, this new project has more than 3 times the energy capacity of the 100 megawatt to 29 megawatt hour Tesla PowerPack project in South Australia, which has been known as the biggest battery in the world. The new Megapack project in Ventura is going to start construction, like I said, next month. Friends, I think major utilities and countries are going to be dragged into renewables kicking and screaming. Once the benefits occur, they will pat themselves on the back for the job well done. Also, replacing peaker plants is awesome. I wonder when or if flow batteries are going to start encroaching on their business. So in the meantime, full steam ahead for Tesla. this also tells us that it looks like peaker plants are doomed in the future for most locations, because this is going to be a good example for Tesla and the county. Response time may matter, but I think the big thing is that the lack of pollution, and in California's case, that huge gas blowout they had recently has given gas-powered peaker plants a very negative image. People say this is the best news so far for Tesla in 2020. This is why I started this report saying that this is one of the best news for Tesla in 2020. But for those that are familiar with electronics, the Tesla battery works similar to a giant capacitor, but for the grid, no one would design a circuit for a second power supply to handle surges. What we do with peaker plants, you just place a cap that'll keep the voltage stable and be done with it. Apparently, there are 1,264 gas peaker plants here in the United States, and people see Tesla's massive Megapack project as a way to end them. According to cleangroup.org, the peaker plants run less than 5% of the time on average. I didn't know, and I was surprised to that. That's about 400 hours per year. Some even less than 100 hours per year. Like I said, I don't know what I expected, but that surprised me. Opportunities like this is why Tesla is so valuable, much as a company. They don't just make cars, but they make these things as well. Elon has even stated that their energy business will exceed their car business soon. I don't know how long it will take, but now with this peaker plant project, massive megawatt project, I think in one day we will see huge boost in Tesla's energy business. What do you think when this will come? Let me know in the comment section below, please. This would be the largest lithium-ion battery pack capacity, at least for now. I wonder how they build a 100 megawatt to 400 megawatt hour battery from the individual Megapacks, 1.5 megawatt inverter and 3 megawatt capacity. It would be great to see a schematic of how they'll connect once it opens. I hope Tesla does a deep dive presentation on that, and so we can all see and understand. Friends, keep in mind that battery grid storage, or grid storage in general, isn't exactly a new idea. We're just hearing about it more often because Tesla brings clicks for many news outlets. If we look at Germany, for example, there are currently 224 grid storage facilities with a power output of more than 1 megawatt each. 69 of these were already in service before October 2016. Now, with all that said, Elon, and when I say Elon, I mean with his companies and all his teams, Elon pushed the electromobility a lot further. He made space flights a lot cheaper with reusable boosters. He is working on a way to reduce traffic on big cities and on and on. Not to mention even the battery revolution, which Torque News reported in today's earlier video report that I did today. If you look back, not many people were going to take electric vehicles seriously. Not many people were going to do rockets, and not many people were going to do a solar panel roof that looked like a normal roof. And I suppose a reasonable argument could be made that without the automotive sector pushing down the price and increasing the volume of batteries, stationary storage wouldn't be nearly as price competitive as it is today. What do you think about that? Now, to give some perspective on how big Tesla's new megawatt project is, you can see the current deployment of battery storage across most of California on the California's ISO website. You can go there, scroll down to the battery trends section to see the live data. Today we measure battery usage on a scale of 100 megawatt, which is the size of the single project. Now, lots of other really good data is there too if you are interested in energy and data. Well, friends, again, this is very interesting. Let me know what you think about this development. With Tesla is securing actually a massive new Megapack project that replaces gas peaker plant That is huge, and I think we will see more of this coming in the future, and other counties would love to see something like this doing. And I will not be surprised that in several years, maybe Tesla gets more revenue, that its power pack business brings more revenue than the car business. Let me know what you think about this, friends. This is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com, and if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, please share this video on your social media. That would help me tremendously, and I'll see you in our next report. Let's continue the discussion in the comments section below. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, and love your families and friends. See you soon, friends.